All right, let's dive into the amazing world of inorganic chemistry. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't chemistry just a bunch of formulas and weird smells in a lab? But stick with me, because inorganic chemistry is actually the secret sauce behind so much of our everyday lives. Let's start with something you see all the time: traffic lights. Ever wondered how they shine so bright in red, yellow, green? That's inorganic chemistry in action. Those colors come from metal salts, like sodium for yellow, copper for green, strontium for red, each burning with its own signature shade. It's like a rainbow powered by science. And get this, the batteries in your phone, laptop, even electric cars, all thanks to inorganic compounds. Lithium, cobalt, nickel, these are the rock stars of rechargeable power. Without them, your devices would be as useful as a screen door on a submarine. But inorganic chemistry isn't just about gadgets. It's deep in nature too. Take the blue in a peacock's feather or the red in a lobster shell. These dazzling colors aren't from pigments, but from the way inorganic molecules bend and play with light. Nature's got some serious style, and inorganic chemistry is her designer. Now let's talk clean water. Ever heard of water treatment plants using chlorine? That's inorganic chemistry, keeping our drinking water safe. And the glass in your windows? It's made by melting sand, aka silicon dioxide, at crazy high temperatures. That's right, every time you look outside, you're peering through the handiwork of inorganic chemistry. Even the air we breathe is a chemistry miracle. Oxygen and nitrogen, both inorganic molecules, make up almost everything you inhale. Without them, life as we know it just wouldn't exist. So next time you use your phone, flip a light switch, or even just take a deep breath, remember, inorganic chemistry is working behind the scenes. It's not just lab coats and test tubes, it's innovation, color, and life itself. Stick around and you'll see there's a whole universe of science hiding in plain sight. That's the power of inorganic chemistry, making the ordinary extraordinary.